A national service program could be implemented, requiring all high school graduates to participate in one of three options. 1. Military service. Enlist in the branch of the military with the lowest active duty numbers for a minimum of 4 years. 1. This option would include comprehensive basic training focused on practical skills and real-world experience. Provision of food, clothing, and shelter during the service period. Emphasis on primary leadership development. Structured challenges designed to promote self-discovery and clarify personal goals. 2. Vocational training. Attend a vocational school to learn a trade and contribute to the nation's manufacturing capacity. 2. This option would address the need for skilled labor and reduce reliance on foreign manufacturing. 3. Higher education. Pursue a college degree at one's own expense. 3. This option would allow individuals to pursue specialized fields of study but would require personal financial investment. Following the completion of either military service or higher education, individuals could apply for officer positions in any branch of the military. Officer roles would offer higher pay, increased responsibilities, and greater leadership opportunities, with stringent qualification requirements. Bring this video to your local recruiter of your choice of military branch of service that interests you the most.